Be ready and start. Of claims and subject matter eligibility under section 3K of the Act. Stop. Additionally, some formal objections were also cited by the collector. Stop. However, the objection of lack of inventive step was, however, dropped by the controller, taking into consideration the explanation given by the appellant, which distinguished the prior arts cited by the IPO. Stop. The appellant attended the hearing scheduled by the controller on 6 September 1929 and subsequently filed written submissions to substantiate its arguments, seeking grant of the subject patent application. Stop. In the written submissions filed before the IPO, the appellant revised the claims of the subject patent application and limited them to 6 claims. Stop. Further, to overcome the objection of redundancy of claims, the appellant claims 1, 2, 3 of the originally filed claims were cancelled. Stop. In respect of the pending objection under section 3K of the Act, the appellant asserted that the claims of the subject patent had a technical effect and were technically enabled, which contribute to their technical character. Stop. Accordingly, the appellant contended that the objection under section 3K of the Act was not tenable. Stop. In addition, the appellant also attended to overcome all the formal objections raised by the controller in the hiring notice. Stop. However, despite these submissions advanced by the appellant, the controller refused the application for the grant of the patent under section 15 of the Act on the grounds that the objection relating to non penaltyability under section 3K of the Act still persisted. Stop. The impugned order dated 25th September 2019 was passed on the ground that the subject application was directed towards sets of instructions and software which were purely functional and lacking any incentive hardware features. Stop. Aggrieved by the impugned order, the appellant has filed the present appeal. Stop. Submissions of the appellant on behalf of the appellant submissions have been advanced. Stop. He has primarily canvassed his submission on the basis of the synopsis of appeal dated 9th September 2022 and a brief note of submissions dated 27th March 2023. Stop. The appellant has also filed a charge giving the status of applications derived from the same priority and or part of the same patent family. Stop. The said chart also includes the status of the Indian patent applications deriving priority from the same application and or part of the same patent family. Stop. It is the case of the appellant that the subject patent application relates